In this video, I will guide you through how to create a brand new WhatsApp account on your mobile phone step by step. First, I opened the WhatsApp app from my mobile home screen. After opening WhatsApp, a welcome screen appeared with the Agree and Continue button. I tapped on Agree and Continue. After that, a pop-up appeared asking for permission to send messages. I tapped on Allow. Next, the phone number verification page opened. There was a number input field where you need to enter the mobile number on which you want to create your WhatsApp account. Make sure to select the correct country code. In my case, the country code was already selected correctly, so I only entered my mobile number. Also make sure that the number is active and preferably inserted in your mobile phone because you will need it for verification. After entering the number, I tapped on Next. Then a confirmation pop-up appeared asking if the number was correct. I tapped on Yes. After that, the verification page opened. WhatsApp showed automatic verification options through missed call. There were two buttons. Continue. Verify another way. If SIM card is already inserted in your mobile phone, you can simply tap on Continue for automatic verification. In my case, I tapped on Verify another way. Then another page opened called Choose how to verify. There were three options: Missed call, Receive SMS, Voice call. I selected Receive SMS and tapped on Continue. After that, another page opened with an input field where I needed to enter the verification code sent by WhatsApp through SMS. I entered the exact same verification code. Within a few seconds, my mobile number was successfully verified. Next, WhatsApp asked for contacts and media permissions. I allowed all the required permissions because they are necessary for using WhatsApp properly. After that, another page opened where I could set my profile details. There was a name field and an option to add a profile picture. In the name field, I entered Guide Maze. You can enter any name according to your preference. To add a profile picture, I tapped on the plus icon. My file manager opened. From there, I selected an image and tapped on Done. My profile picture was added successfully. After that, I tapped on the next button, and just like that, my WhatsApp account was successfully created and the WhatsApp interface opened. After that, I tapped on the three dots in the top right corner and selected Settings. From here, you can view your mobile number, change your profile picture, edit your name, add a description, and customize many other WhatsApp settings according to your preference. And that is how you can create a brand new WhatsApp account on your mobile phone step by step. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.